Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muayana and I would like to show making bakpao with chocolate flavor. Let's go, we'll look how to make bakpao. Check it out. Okay guys, the first I will prepare the ingredient advance. So guys, we only need 5 main ingredients and 2 supporting ingredients. Okay guys, in here there are 7 tablespoons flour and a half glass of water and a half teaspoon instant yeast and a half teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons sugar and butter, chocolate and oil pepper. Okay guys, I had prepared a bowl and I put flour with sponge. Flour, okay, sugar, and instant yeast, and salt. And now stir it. Okay guys, after enough, and I put a half glass of water and stir it again. Okay guys, until dark to be like this. And I will put the butter. And I stir again with hand. Stir with hand. Okay guys, I will mix both from this dough. And we can do it. Put the chocolate into dough. And roll again. And roll again. And put it on oil paper. Do it until it turns out. Okay guys, we need to leave bakpao here until it's real and wait until 10 minutes. So guys, after waiting 10 minutes, we will steam bakpao with medium heat. And don't forget cover the pan with a clean cloth. Okay guys, after 20 minutes, we take bakpao in the pan. Let's go! Okay guys, bakpao is all ready to eat. I think enough to making bakpao in video this time. And bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.